Hi, good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you some simple, super simple, and powerful strategy for any forex pair or indices or cryptos. No matter, it doesn't matter what you trade, and I have back tested and it works. And I want you to do the same. Test it before you use it. Don't just watch this video and use it straight away. So before we move on, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll put my Telegram link, a Telegram link in the description down below. It's a Telegram that I've created with free educational stuff for like Forex, and I've put a link in the Telegram which has like 1 terabyte um, file full of courses for Forex. Any like thing you want to learn about Forex or currency exchange, it's in that Telegram chat. So before we let's move on. This strategy works only on mobile. You can't. I don't think you can use it on the MT4, the PC version, because when you put some indicators on the PC version, it doesn't work. But on the mobile version, it works really well. And I'm going to be using the MT4 on my phone, the mobile version, and you can use it on MT5 as well if you use MT5, but I use the MT4 with my broker. And as you can see, I'm opening my charts and it works for any pair. I've got a few metals over here and some forex pairs and some cryptos and some indices. So I'm gonna find a forex pair. So this is GU, and you can see my chart doesn't look messy. It looks simple, nice and clean. Like some people have got so many indicators on their charts, and I don't know what it is for, but this is super simple, easy, and clear. You could see what's going on, and we will be using only 4 indicators. And you can see over here there is like some simple patterns that you can like recognize on my chart if you look at my chart properly. So if you see here is a resistance zone, and you could see here resistance zone, and you could see this little corner supports, and you could see this little corner supports. Let me delete it, go back again. You could see them again, you could see them again over here and over there. Let me find another chart on metals or any indices. Same over here, same over here, same. You could see the patterns. And this strategy works on any time frame, but I personally like to trade on the 1 hour time frame because I get good confirmations over there. And let's move on. So um, we only gonna be taking like sells and buys when our indicators or the indicators that we'll be using are the envelopes and the RSI and the moving averages. So we only take a sells when our moving average, not our moving average, sorry, our envelope has gone to a level of 89.10 on the RSI. So when this black line is touching the orange line at level 89.10, we look for sales or we enter sales because the market has reached a resistance level like the ceiling of the price, so it has to come down. And we take buys when the red line, not the black line, when the red line has also touched the blue line on the envelope at a level of 7.98. And the moving average is basically for confirmation, like a confluence to see, oh, it's going in the level or the direction that we want it to go. And as you could see, the candle starts to go on top of the moving average, which is 200 moving average. I'll show you the settings. I just want to explain everything for you to know what you're doing, not just get the settings and start playing with this indicator. So let's go on to the indicators. So this is gold. You can use it on any pair US Tech, NAS 100. You could see similar patterns, support and resistance, simple and easy stuff. And you take your TP at the level 50, which I will show you the level as well on the settings. So let's go on to the settings. Yep. So to add an indicator, you press on your chart and it will bring like a wheel to select like an option from, or you can press on the F on the top bar of your chart. So press on the F, and the first indicator we will be adding is the moving average. And as you can see, on the moving average, we've got these settings. Make sure you've got the same settings I have shown you over here. We are going to use the 200 period moving average, shifted zero, exponential, and we are applying it to the close of the candles. And you can choose any color you want. It doesn't matter so far as you know that this is my 200 EMA. After that, we're gonna add another indicator. So what we need to do is press on the F again and add a new indicator to a different window, so not on the main chart. And I think when you go on your MT4, you would know what I'm talking about. So you press on the F with a plus over here. It will bring you to the list of indicators. Then you can select them. So as we've added the moving average, like we use the moving average basically to find like the direction of the market, like whether it's going in an uptrend or a downtrend, and it's like irrespective of the correction move in price, like the moving average shows you like the direction of the market. Like right now is going up, and you can see most of the candles are on top of the moving average, and you can see below it's got some candles over there that's like correction, so it doesn't matter, it's still in an uptrend. So let's go back again, and then next indicator is the RSI, and these are the settings. Make sure you've got the same settings as me. I'll show you the levels in a minute. I just want you to understand what you are doing. So the RSI is like a momentum indicator, and we use it to evaluate the overbought and the oversold condition in the market or in the price. And these are the levels that we will be using. Make sure you've got these levels and these descriptions that I have got. And once you're done, you can choose any color that you want. I've got black, and your RSI will pop up. After that, go back again, press on the F on the indicator window one, add these two envelopes. The first one has got these settings, and I decided to choose these colors. And make sure you've got the same colors or different colors. It doesn't matter so far as you know, you understand what I'm about to show you. So done, and we go on, add the second envelope, and this is the settings. Is completely different from the first one, so you need to make sure you've got the right settings in your on your indicator. Now once you're done, just go and look for any charts and try and back test on it. Let's go on Euro USD, and you could see on the 1 hour chart it shows that it's overbought, and we are only going to take a sell when the black touches the orange at a level of 89.1 for sales, and it has touched, so that means we are going to be looking for sales now. And as you see, we can say that this is like a resistance level. Is going to be Euro USD is going to be forming a resistance level soon, because on the 1 hour time frame it shows that we can sell because it is at the level of 89.10, and the black line has touched the orange line. So but it's all at times too, when you go on the higher time frame, it will tell you something different. Like you could see on the higher time frame, it has already touched now. So that means we were expecting Euro USD to come down tomorrow or tonight when the market opens. And you could see today is Sunday, market is closed. So on Monday or Sunday night when market opens, Euro USD is going to drop. And you take your sells. And if you want to take your buys, you look for the RSI, look at the level of 7.98. Please be careful. Only take buys and sells when they are on these two levels. So the 7.98, you could see that the red line touched the blue band or the blue envelope lower band at 7.98, and when it touched it, we are on a 4-hour chart, so you know that this is like big moves and big money. These candles are so many pips. I can go on the 1-hour chart too. So when let's say we entered at this level, we would take our profit at the level 50. So just hold your trade and wait for the lines to touch their level 50. But if you are brave like me, you could just open the trade and hold it till it goes back to the 89.10 level for it to come down. Let's look for another pair, and this works on almost every pair or any currency or any stock or any indices. So make sure you practice, 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 practice. And this is super simple. And I'm sure that you can use one day to just demo trade and practice this. And you could see some proper results. And it requires patience. And make sure you stick to one pair or a couple pairs, because you can train multiple horses, but only one horse can win. So if you train one horse and is able to win all the time, then you can move on to the others. And as you can see, pound USD on the 4-hour chart, imagine if I entered on this level, waited for the TP to hit. So I would have caught so many pips. Or you could just wait for it to go back to the 7.98 if you are brave. So that is it. And mostly I use the 1-hour chart, but it's good to use the higher time frames as well to analyze your pair. And make sure at times too, when you are looking at the levels, whether it's been touched or not, make sure you zoom in and zoom out in your chart to find like a proper touch, whether it's touched or not, and use the moving averages to confirm the direction that you are in as well. Thanks for watching, and I will be very happy if you guys subscribe to my channel and liked, and I'll put my Telegram link. If you have any questions, just drop it in. Thanks and bye.